Hey everybody, it's Glyne here, and it is time for another leadership truth. This week's truth is balance is for tires, or gymnasts, or stilt walkers, or unicycle riders. But you know what? It's not for life. Life is not about balance. And you know, the latest word that's getting thrown around is integration. Like we're somehow supposed to have like this perfect seamless integration of life and work. Here's the thing, life is chaotic, life is messy. So is work. Work is messy, and work is part of your life. And so here's the thing, if you are struggling with life balance, first of all, wipe it from your vocabulary. It doesn't exist, but also start to think about life rhythm instead. And if you think about your life having lots of different, I think of it like drumming. I learned this actually from a client that I worked with many years ago. They had this great analogy and I loved it. This idea that, you know, you've got different drums, right? So one drum is your career drum, one drum's your family drum, one drum's your community activism drum, one drum's your hobbies drum, whatever, however you want to bucket your drums. And sometimes the rhythm on the work drum is drumming really fast and it's taken up a lot of energy, and other drums are quieter. But you're the drummer. You can choose how you want to play different parts of your life. You always can choose. So if you feel like the drum beat is out of whack on the work side, what do you need to do to put a little bit more rhythm in other parts of your life and bring more of that to the forefront? So think about rhythm. Sometimes it's going to be fast. Sometimes you're going to be working hard. You're going to be putting in the hours. But when you don't need to, don't stay on autopilot and keep putting in the hours. Peel it back. Spend more time with your family. Spend more time with your friends. Okay, it's about a rhythm, not a consistent and perfect integration all the time. Doesn't work that way. All right. Okay, my friends, I will see you next week for another leadership truth. If you've got one for me, send it my way. Love hearing them. And thank you for sharing these truths on social. Love seeing that you're enjoying the messages. And be sure to check out our book if you haven't already. Did I really sign up for this? Did I really sign up for this? I promise you, it's a positive book. Lots of great suggestions on what you can do to stay ahead. And look, super short read, easy to read. You can get it from our website, leadershiptruthsbook.com, or Indigo, or other top online retailers. All right, thanks for checking it out, and I will see you again next week.